Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today I want to talk specifically for how to develop a trading Deriv debot. So, such kind of Deriv debot, it's a bit challenging. You need to have the skills in coding. You cannot do it using the chat GPT. So most have gotten so many questions about how someone can develop. I told you if you want maybe lessons how to develop this one, it's usually at a cost. And so that you can get, maybe you can see also me, whenever I'm trying to develop something, I normally test it using other applications. So you can join me, and as I'm doing my own things, my own research, you can get to understand via lessons. Like here, you can see I'm trying to test these trading interface bot, and this one you can see it's just called test bot. So this one obviously it's just for testing anything I want to test a bit. If I don't want, I delete. So you can see what I have here. I have the purchase conditions, and I want maybe let's say you have just come into this website and you want to make some bulky trades. So that's what I'm trying to do. So after I am done with it, I'll just push it to my website, which is TradeProFX dbot.pages.dev. And you can see here it says what you can see the contract type. So you can change anything you change will happen on these purchase conditions. So let's say you want to change on the digits, and then you want to make a match differs contract type, and then let's say you want to make differs, and then the prediction, let's just put any random digit like 4, because most of the time differs normally come out well, and then we can use a stake like of 50, and we will see the outcome. And then you want how many trades, so you'll just see, you can see the purchase already has changed to differs, and then on the around bulky trades you will say yes. So this is what I'm trying to do something on it, so that we can also able to construct bots which are helpful. So you can see when you press the 4 or 5 trades, let's make 5 trades, and then we will see on the report section. So when we do on 5 bulky trades, you can see it's a 10,000 demo account. Then this is the area I'm trying to do something on this section, on the this zone here. So you can see the transactions, the summary, and the journal part. That's what I've remained with. It will be done by the end. So there is a challenge because it's giving some results which are not good, but the trades are being executed well. So let's run. So you see when you run, it will pick trades automatically. You can see it has picked 5 trades. So and it is done, and that's why. And then it doesn't proceed. It will hang. It will just hang at that point. So you can just stop instead of buying another contract type. So you can see the first one is 1, 2, and then 3, then 4, then 5. You can see what it has picked. Those are 5 traits, but unfortunately, there is so much bot IDs which are unnecessary for now. So we will be removing them so that we can proceed in a good manner so that you don't get any problem. And you can see the win payout says is not 4 after 1 tick. But when you go to the transaction point here, you cannot see unless you go to the report section. So we are still moving on. So it's usually a bigger challenge while developing such kind of applications. So in case you need to add any sections here, that is adding any trade history, any trade section, AI, copy trading, all that. If you want all that, you can DM. I can teach you how to do it. Or number two, you can just you can just tell me to do it for you. But now all that comes with a cost. So if we go to the report section, let's click on the report section so that we can see whether how the trades have been executed, so that you can understand. So let's see. So when we go here to the report section, you can see all the trades are now working. So the first one was 50, which is this one, and you can see it give us 3.76. So which one was the outcome? The outcome must be same. So digit 5 has been the same outcome. So if we go to the also just by just going to the first one here, because we have looked at the first below, you can see the outcome is digit 5. So any contract type runs that you will be needing, you can just do. And if you check also randomly, the third one here should be 5. You can see what has happened, and that's why we have won. We had 10,000, it has increased to 18. So that's what I'm trying and wanted to clarify on that, that it's not that easier to create using chat gpt. For the chat gpt is just the common easy trading bots maybe that you would wish to create, but for an entire application like this one using all the Deriv APIs, it's a bit difficult. So that one, uh, unless you have the skills, you can start doing it. So that was the duty. So after I will be done, I'll just put this one on the Trade Pro FX section, so you can always stay alert, so that in case I add anything on the Trade Pro FX, here it's where the trading bot will that trading bulky bots will be, and you can see it's 1018. So will be adding it on this section here. As you can see, I'll allow the section to be on this zone here. In case also you add a trading bot and you want those bulky trades, any point it will be along this point, and so that you can able to access instead of adding sections here like bulky trades. So it will just be direct on the trading board so that you can execute trades easily. However, we have a new bot that I told you, that's the Profit Pulse, which is very nice. You can try it out. I will also be adding this trading bot currently, which is here, so that normally you can understand how something so like this one is very good. So you will be using it. I'll also add it maybe in a few after some few times I'll be adding it. So just stay alert and stay forecast, so that in case I add anything, just be ready for any new updates, so you can view anything that I will be uploading on that point there. So that is it. Let's meet in the next video as you await for good progress. So just stay alert so that you don't get miss. So you can see this one is a very good boat. You can always have scoop some profits and you get to win. So you can use that pulse boat and make something from it. So that is it. Let's meet in the next video, and subscribe, share, comment, and just turn on the notification bell, so anytime I upload any video that you will be aware. And in case of any questions, that just comment below on the videos or just DM. Bye bye.